lovelies, and welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would do my morning cleaning routine for you, and this is something that I do every single morning to keep on top of my house. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make my bed. Making my bed always makes me feel so happy, and it makes me feel as if my house is so much cleaner with just my bed made. Honestly, if you don't make your bed first thing in the morning, try it out and just do it for a couple of days, because honestly it'll make you feel so much better. And even if your house isn't really that clean, honestly just making your bed will make such a big difference. Now that my bed is made, I'm just going to put all the pillows on my bed. I have a couple of different pillows. To be honest with you, I want new ones. These are kind of old now, but they'll do for now, I guess. Then I'll move on to my partner's side of the bed. There's normally a good couple of things on the floor here from my son. Like I've got his baby shark, some ornaments and everything. My son likes to pull everything down off the counters, so I've got to clean up after him. So I put those all in a box. And then I'm just moving onto my desk, moving all the things off and just making sure that it looks nice and clear. And I'm also clearing up all my makeup palettes that were in my basket at the bottom of my desk. My son went underneath my desk and pulled them all out last night, so I had to put them all back in this morning. And then that's my bedroom done. So that was really easy, really quick. Just did the bed, cleaned a couple of surfaces and just tidied things up. Alright, so moving on to my son's room. My son goes into his bedroom to play every morning, first thing before we go downstairs. And he tends to pull all of his books out, all of his food that's in his little basket, and he jumps all over his bed and everything else. So I just went in there, I quickly tidied up all of his food, put all of his books back on his shelf and my daughter's books on her shelf because he tends to pull them out as well. And then I just put everything back on top of his unit and I made his bed. His room really doesn't take that long. I like to do it because it looks a lot cleaner, and every time that he goes in there, then it is nice and clean for him, which I really, really like. So after doing my son and daughter's room, I will move on into the bathroom. My son actually had a bath this morning, so I'm just clearing out all of his toys and even the water drain down the plug. Me and my partner also had a bath and a shower this morning, so I'm just moving everything that we used off the bath into the baskets where they belong. So while I wait for the water to drain down the bath, I'm just going to clean the toilet. So I'm just using my toilet brush, giving it a quick clean, and then I'm going to also add some of the Duck Tropical to disinfect the toilet. So then I just went in and wiped over the toilet seat just to make sure there's no stains or smears on the seat. After doing that, I just moved the clothes off the radiator because I was hitting them over as I was cleaning. So then I'm just going to go back in to cleaning the bath. I just gave it a quick rinse with a shower head. My bathroom is pretty clean, to be honest with you. I did a deep clean just a couple of days ago, so it is still pretty clean. But then I'm just going to go in and wipe over the sink, just a quick wipe, and I'm also going to wipe over the mirror just from this morning because normally we tend to flick a little bit of toothpaste onto the mirror, so I'm making sure that there's no stains or smears on the mirror as well. And that's the bathroom clean. So that's the nice clean bath, the sink, and then the toilet. It is all clean now. Okay, so moving on to downstairs, just taking all the dishes that were upstairs down into the kitchen, and this is what my countertop looks like. This is literally from all the night before. My partner made a mixed grills. There was loads of pots and pans that needed to be washed. There was loads and loads of dishes, pots, everything you can think of. My counter was full of crumbs, so I had quite a bit to clean here this morning. And I didn't do the dishes the night before, which I should have, but I was so tired and so full after the mixed grill that my partner made. I just left it all to the morning, so I had a whole bunch of dishes to do this morning. So once all the dishes were done, I quickly wiped over my countertops. So I was first wiping off all the crumbs because I didn't want to wipe them over the floor. So I wiped them all up and then I moved them all into the sink. And then I just actually wiped over all the kitchen countertops with my diluted Zaflora mix, which is the yellow mix in that little bottle on the counter. the one that I've got in there at the moment is Gold Touch, and it smells absolutely amazing. They also have it in the foam freshener. They just smell gorgeous. So I was just quickly wiping over there, and I'm also going to clean my cooker, because if you saw in that little clip that I just showed you guys, my cooker was a mess after my partner cooking all the meats that he did that night. So I had to clean and deep clean my cooker that morning. So now I'm going to go in with a Cif cream cleaner, and I'm going to use that to clean my cooker. As you can see, there is so many stains and things on this from my partner cooking his mixed grill. So it took me a while to clean this, to be honest with you, because the stains were really stubborn, but I managed it and it came up nice and clean. And this is the clean cooker. The stains that you would have seen there, they do not come off, like they are stuck there. They don't come off with anything. So it is actually clean, guys. Those marks are just permanently there. So I'm now finishing wiping the countertops that I hadn't wiped yet. I'm going to move my tea, coffee and sugar and wipe underneath those. And then I'm going to move my kettle, wipe underneath my kettle and around all my cups. And then I'm pretty much done, guys. So this is what I do every single morning just to keep on top of my house. I really do hope that you enjoyed watching this video, guys. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.